Yeah, for round number 2? Hey, what's up, guys? Going sled again. We're gonna clean that boy off. We're gonna head out there with the guys, see where we end up, and then hit some more off-trail stuff. Damn, you really must love your sled. He does love his sled, but, you know, this is how much he loves it. Breathing all that smoke going slow like this is fucking killing me.
That's why
walking through all that shit is a tough bitch.
That's why you gotta start smoking. Doesn't bug you. Put your ear to the ground and listen for the wildebeest. Do you hear anything?
I hear it.
We're tracking fresh pow.
Let's call him a name.
Which direction is the fresh pow when you listen to the ground?
That way. I started sneezing.
Yeah.
Then I started coughing. Then I went to the bathroom, I took a poop, felt 10 million times better.
What'd you get stuck on?
Hey?
What'd you get stuck on?
The tree?
You hit the tree?
Oh yeah.
Perfect ski trap coming through this dense bush. We got this one running up like that, this one running like that, and my ski goes underneath one and in front of the other.
You're totally.
So it makes a perfect lock and you can't move the ski.
I don't have my saw here with me, do you? It's in your truck, isn't it?
Safety first, kid.
Holy shit, did you ever come get him? Hey? Did he ever pump you?
That's a lot of snow.
That's not good. I just broke my friggin' stem or whatever that holds it. I was coming up over the thing, back, and it pulled back on me when I was pulling up. Well, I'm kind of screwed for the day, so no riding for me, and I'll show you why. Right in here, I broke some crap off in there. Yeah, that's not supposed to move like that. It's not supposed to. No, that's, yeah. I'm screwed, so my day is over. So maybe we get some interesting footage from this guy or that guy over there, and we'll add that to the video. As for me, I'm done.
Sled is broke. This sucks. Well, even though I can't friggin' do shit,
Might as well turn the camera on and record anything I see.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.